Wow. Look at the sell off on that. That is massive. All right. Good morning. Good morning, Vicki. Good morning to everybody over on YouTube. Nobody there yet, so we'll give them a few moments. Oh my gosh, this energy sector is flying. And I mean flying. CGBS now, Crown. Look at Crown now. CGBS. That was that 11-cent stock that we talked about earlier. It's starting to curl up a little bit. USEG is not going anywhere. TMDE not going anywhere. Robin Energy still holding. EONR Resources is climbing again. Icon pulling down, but I'll bet it's not done. TPET Petroleum. Trio Petroleum starting to climb again. Stacy, no. It's only considered one of your trades if it goes through. If you cancel it before it's filled, then it's not a trade. Let's see, PRZO, HUSA still going sideways here. REI going sideways. IMPP going sideways. Boy, usually Fridays are so slow, but boy, not today. Holy mackerel. I hope all of our friends there on YouTube and TikTok are making a killing this morning. Kathy, good morning. Ricky, good morning. Laser, good morning. And good morning to everybody out there in TikTok. Appreciate having you along with us. The energy sector is hot. Oil, gas. It's just on fire this morning. We are playing all the energy sector stocks this morning. Just about everything that we've made good money on this morning has been from that sector. Let's go back and look at Toro again. Toro trying to push back up again. RBNE 951 to 1166 for Sal. Beautiful. We go back and look at Toro one more time. Icon, yeah. All of them are hot, man. TMD, that was up for us about 120%. RBNE was up 250%. Icon was up over 100%. Boy, it's just been a beautiful morning. ASTS announced a settlement term sheet facilitating long-term access. Okay. Keep your eyes on the energy sector. Keep your eyes on that energy sector. Some of these are some of them are pulling down right now, but it's just profit taking. They're getting a chance to relax a little bit. Just get them a chance to breathe. Energy sector is going to be hot all day long. Kenzie, good morning. So let's go back and look at a few of them here. USEG, still going sideways. TMDE, it's trying to push up, but it's having a little bit of difficulty. RBNE, Robin Energy, that one going sideways at the moment. EONR, been on a nice, slow, steady climb, but it just dropped a little bit here, but that's okay. We got to give it a chance to breathe a little bit. Icon going sideways. TPET, Trio Petroleum, that one's on a nice, slow, steady climb up. NINE, N-I-N-E, that one's also going sideways at the moment. These are all energy sector stocks. HUSA, Houston American Energy, going sideways. REI, Ring Energy, going sideways. But right now, a lot of them are just going sideways. But I know what's going to happen. They're going to go. One of them is going to start going, and everybody's going to be hollering. Let's see. BRTX reports compelling preliminary data for FDA fast-tracked stem cell therapy for chronic lumbar disc disease. BRTX. Hot off the press. BRTX. HCTI, Healthcare Triangle. This is a little cheap 2-penny stock from yesterday. It's slowly, gradually climbing back up again. Nothing dramatic. It hasn't even moved a full penny yet, but just want you to be aware that it is pushing up a little bit. Corporate update. So we're just going to keep an eye on the energy sector here and see which one. There goes Icon again. ICON. We got 108% out of this one this morning. It's pulled back considerably since then. It's up about 75% right now. But it is moving. Energy sector today is hot. AIOT price target change. Let's go back and look at Icon again. 317. Icon still ripping. Kinsey, good morning. Evero, good morning. Nectar has a question. on Icon. Let's rip up to 350. Manuel, good morning. Yeah, Jason, with Israel bombing Iran, that means war. And war always affects the energy sector in a positive way in terms of stock prices. So all the oil stocks, anything in the energy sector is going to be really hot today. It's already proving that. We've already done insanely good on a lot of these energy sector stocks. And they're not done. They're not done for the day. I promise you that. All this energy stocks are not going to all of a sudden start plummeting all of them at once. Something really miraculous would have to happen for that. I don't see that happening. So they're going to continue to be hot all day today. There's going to be a lot of opportunity for scalping off good profit on a lot of these, because a lot of them they're going to climb up nicely. You're going to get a lot of profit taking from day traders. They're going to tank. They're going to go right back up again. They're going to tank. It's going to be an up and down, just a fun time to play some of these stocks. Look at Icon, you beautiful bastard. Look at that, up over 350 now. Well, RBNE's already been up over 250% for us, Ricky. Icon is climbing right now. You know, I really can't say if there's one in specific that's going to just go bananas. But really, any of these energy stocks are going to make money today. I think just about any of them. There's going to be some that do better than others, obviously. Look at Icon. Good gravy. Now back up 105%. This has gone up 30% just since we started talking about Icon. 30% already. And it has a low float. Hopefully everybody's banking on that. We'll keep an eye on it. And we're going to keep an eye on the rest of these too. Any one of these could take off on a rip at any moment, especially the low float ones. I keep clicking back and forth between all the energy stocks, looking to see if one of them is trying to curl. Nuke, NUKK, pushing up a little bit. Not on much volume though. Not a lot of volume on this stock, but it is pushing up just a little bit. Just want you to be aware of it. NUKK. Not telling you it's going to rip. There's a big spread on this thing, huge spread on it, and no volume. That's a dangerous combination in pre-market. Bob locked out on Zoom. Huh. I can't imagine why. Did you guys catch USEG this morning? Early pre-market. That stock went crazy. U.S. Energy, USEG. Boy, it went nuts this morning. You had to have been watching that in real early pre-market this morning, early this morning, to really get a good play on that one. That was sweet. Icon's been a winner. TMD, RBNE, of course, Icon, USEG, all energy stocks all went crazy this morning. USEG starting to climb again. Looks like we've got some volume coming back into USEG. KC got it from 250 to 3. Nice trade. Look at TMDE, another energy stock. This one was up for us 120% earlier this morning. It's up 119% right now, and it's starting to push up higher. Let's see if this one's got any more push. Maybe get back up to 2. We wicked up to 2 here. We climbed all the way to 206 on this one earlier this morning at about 7:10 this morning. Boy, what a great money maker that was. Be nice to see that go back up to 2 again. Checking in, good morning. Blue Pearls, good morning. Yes, Mark, it paid off to get up early this morning. Still doing good on SBET. I took the dip on SBET. I don't know how many of you did, but I took the dip on SBET last night. Still holding it. Still holding. Want to get a sense of where this is going to go today. Oh, yeah. You got in 885, sold at 1028. Hey, that was a good trade. Bob, no, I didn't sell SBET. It was up this morning, I think over 12, around 4 o'clock. It was really, really up there. I really thought about it. You sold yours at 1125. You must have made some good money on it then. Kimster, good morning. But I'm still holding. KC sold half on SBET from 942 to 1130. Nice trade. Nice trade. Let's go back and look at Toro. Toro is another one. TORO is another stock that we was watching this morning. It went from about $2.05 to $2.90, and then it fell, and it fell pretty hard. Another one in the energy sector, and we're watching it right now. See if it's going to climb. We might get it to pop over 250 and climb back up again. Ryan took the dip on HCTI last night at 0.016 to oh 0.03. Nice trade. That had to feel good. The AIHS just, boy, that was a quick up and quick down. That one is absolutely falling apart. BNI, TMDE, Icon pulling down, TPET pulling down. A lot of the energy sectors pulling down right now. 9 down. Nine trying to curl back up. That's the way trades go falling apart. Yeah, Brian, you see where that thing ended up? It had that beautiful spike off of that press release from 95 cents to $1.60, and then just crashed hard. I mean, really hard. That was insane. U.S. Energy trying to curl back up again. 9 NINE curling back up again. Vicky, good morning. Good to have you pop in here with us. All right, here is the 8 o'clock stuff. Let's see if there's anything in here. Press release on SBET. SharpLink Gaming acquires 176,000 Ethereum for $463 million, officially becoming the largest publicly traded ETH holder. If that means anything to you guys in that crypto space. Does that mean anything? I'm not a crypto guy. You tell me. 176,000 Ethereum for $463 million, becoming the largest publicly traded ETH holder. And that's what they raised that money for yesterday. That was what caused that big collapse yesterday. Reading through press releases for you. Not seeing anything good. AIHS continues to crash. Going through these press releases, I'm not seeing anything. It's all fluff. It's all junk press releases. Nothing substantial in any of those 8 o'clock press releases. I don't see any news on Next. OP popping up. Ocean Pal, OP. Had a quick pop. Archer, ACHR, down in pre-market on an $850 million share sale. Sale. Says they plan to raise $850 million through a sale of its shares to institutional investors. So it's plummeting. It did the same thing that SBET did yesterday. All right, Nuke. Nuke pushing up a little bit. BTM. BTM, Bitcoin Depot adds to Bitcoin Treasury holdings amid continued market momentum. It's all just fluffy kind of news. All right, let's go back and look at the energy sector here real quick before we let you go. U.S. Energy, USEG. Looks like it's trying to do something. RBNE, Robin Energy, climbing up, starting to push up again. Press release, QNCX, price target change. That doesn't help anybody, does it? TMDE starting to push up. Looks like a lot of the energy sector stocks are starting to curl up here with the 8 o'clock volume. USEG, RBNE, EONR, Eon Resources, that one's pushing up. Watching SBET here on this press release to see what it does. Kirk, all green trades today. Thank you, Jeff. You're very welcome, man. I appreciate you being here. HUSA, Houston Energy. That one's trying to curl up. Where's our little icon? Icon. Not doing anything. FAAS. FAAS pushing up a little bit here in pre-market. Coin. Insights executive order. Provides facts on response. Nothing there. Toro, TORO, starting to push back up again. Robin Energy, RBNE. Woo, popped. Come on, baby. Keep climbing. Keep climbing. All right. Okay. Well, that's going to be it for us this morning. Kimster, good morning. good luck trading today. It's Friday the 13th. Ooh. Hopefully, it's been good for us this morning so far. We can't complain. We've had a number of really great runners. So keep an eye on the energy sector. With Israel bombing Iran, that means war. War always boosts up the energy sector. Oil, gas, all that stuff. Anything in the energy sector should be pretty hot today. So keep an eye on all those energy sector stocks. Those should do pretty well today. I know a lot of them are dipping right now. You know, they're going to spike up, they're going to dip. They're going to spike back up, they're going to dip. There's a lot of profit taking going on there. So it's going to be very volatile up and down on a lot of these energy stocks, but it means great opportunity to catch some really nice dips, ride it up, scalp off some money, get out, move on to something else. There's going to be some good opportunities in there today. So keep that in mind. So now let's, one last time before we leave, let's take a look at SBET. For all the folks that were with us in after hours last night that took the dip on SBET, SBET. I know some of you let it go already. You know, you took that dip around $8, $8.50, $9, and you probably let it go this morning in the 11s, or if you were up early enough, in the 12s. And you did very well. You did very well with that. But for those of you that are still holding, let's hope this thing rips off today. I still have mine. I'm still holding. We'll see what happens. So you guys have a great day of trading. Have fun. Enjoy your weekend. It's Friday the 13th. Be careful. And I'll see all of you guys Monday morning. There is no after hours live stream for me on Friday. So I won't be on at 4 o'clock today, but I'll be back Monday morning. So join us on the website if you'd like. If not, we'll see you right here at 7:35 Monday morning. So until then, have a great weekend. I know I'm going to enjoy my weekend. And God bless to every single one of you. And thoughts and prayers to all law enforcement out there dealing with what's going on out there. And you guys have a beautiful day. Have a good weekend, everybody.